Let's solve some basic maths questions. So if you're preparing for common entrance exam or you're preparing for any competitive exam and you are within the age of 5 to 9, these questions are something you should be familiar with. So let's work on this question. This is a competitive exam for basic 6 pupils. Okay, so the first question says, but before then, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and drop a comment. So let's get started. Question 1 says minus 10 plus minus 3 minus minus 4 plus 5. So how do we solve this question now? First of all, let's collect like terms. So we have minus 10 minus 3. Okay, let's do it this way so you understand better. Let's say minus 10, then these two signs together. Okay, if you've not seen on our videos on negative number, it will explain everything we've done here, so go watch the videos on negative numbers. So plus and minus being together will multiply them, and plus times minus is minus, right? So minus 3, minus and minus being together will multiply. Minus times minus is plus, so plus 4, then plus 5. Now let's collect like terms. Okay, they are in like terms already, so we just go straight to the point. Minus 10 minus 3, it's minus 13. So if you've not seen the video on negative number, go see it. Plus 4 plus 5 is plus 9. Now minus 13 plus 9 is minus 4. So this is it. The answer is minus 4C. Okay, and the next one say minus 16 divided by minus 6 divided by minus 8. So if we use let's do the first one, minus 96 divided by minus 6. So minus cancel minus, we have minus cancel minus, we have 96 divided by 6. So that's 16. Remember, minus has cancelled minus, so we just have 96 divided by 6, and that's equal to 16, right? Then 16 divided by 8, which would give us 2. Okay, so our answer here is 2. All right, so the next one say Joe bought a used car for $6,000 and paid 15% deposit. How much did he still have to pay? So he made 15% deposit of this amount. So first thing we need to do is to find 15% of this amount, which would be 15% means over 100 times $6,000. Okay, so this 0 will divide 0, 0 will divide 0, so we now have 15 times 60, right? Which would give us 15 times 60 is 900. So you see he has $900. So how much did he still have to pay? So remember, this 15% is the amount he has deposited, so we'll minus this from the original money he has to pay. We should minus 900. So when we minus 900, 0 0, then we borrow here and put here, this is 10, so 10 is 1, 10 minus 9 is 1, then 5 was remaining here, so he still have $5,100 to pay. So this is our answer. See, the fourth question say 5 times minus 2 minus brackets 8 minus 12 plus 16 divided by minus 8. So remember, whenever you have a math question that involves different signs, what you should use is what we call BODMAS. And BODMAS means bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, also called BIDMAS. Okay, sometimes can be called BIDMAS, and BIDMAS means bracket, index, okay, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So let's use the BIDMAS one. So what it means, we'll solve bracket first. Bracket, which is 8, we'll solve the bracket first. So we solve the bracket first, which is 8 minus 12. That's the first thing to do, solve bracket first. 8 minus 12, this would give us 5 times minus 2 minus the bracket. 8 minus 12 is minus 4. So minus 4, right? Plus 16 divided by minus 8. After solving, I think the first thing we should do here before we go to the BIDMAS again is to bring these signs together. So we have 5 times minus 2. Minus times minus is plus 4. plus 16 divided by minus 8. Okay, all right, so next thing, let's wipe this one off so we have space. So next thing, we go to the BIDMAS and we find out after brackets is index. We don't have any index here. Index is like square root, square, cube root, of to the power, and all those are index. We don't have index. Next is division. The next division we have here is plus 16 divided by minus 8. So we do that. 16 divided by minus 8. Let's see. So plus 16 divided by minus 8. Okay, there's no minus for this minus to divide, so we still bring our minus in. Then 16 divided by 8. So that's minus 2. Let me write it well. This is minus 2. Remember what I said, because there's no minus for this minus to divide, so this is, we'll put our minus here, and 16 divided by 8 is 2, so it's minus 2. Now we are going to take away this 2, okay, and put minus 2 there because we've calculated them and we have minus 2. So we're going to take them away and put minus 2 there. Now next thing after division is multiplication, and the numbers we have to multiply is 5 times minus 2. And 5 times minus 2, 5 times minus 2. 5 times minus 2 is minus 10, okay? So if you want to understand this better, check out our video on, go to the channel, check out the video on negative number. Okay, you understand why it's so. So this is minus 10 now. We can now wipe that off and put minus 10. Okay, so we'll put minus 10 here. This is now minus 10. Now next is addition and subtraction. Let's add. So in our addition part, we have minus 10 plus 4. And minus 10 plus 4, minus 10 plus 4. Minus 10 plus 4 is minus 6. So minus 6. Now we can now wipe off that one and represent it with minus 6. Okay, minus 6. So now we have minus 6 minus 2. Okay, so how do we do that one? Minus 6 minus 2, we bring them together, and that equals minus 8. Minus 6 minus 2 equals minus 8. So our answer is B, minus 8. We'll continue this in the next video. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment. See you in the next video. Bye.